Hey, good morning. Happy Monday, August 29th. The month is just about over. So what's going on? Hey, you know what? I have to admit it. I actually made a mistake. Last week I said that the Sky were in the WNBA championships. I was wrong. They had just entered the playoffs. They're doing very well. They've advanced to the next round, so congratulations to the Sky. And hey, congratulations to Vanessa Bryant, the wife of Kobe Bryant. She won a $16 million lawsuit for photographs being published of the death and the crash of her husband, Kobe Bryant. You know what? Think about it. Those pictures being published, did they increase the quality of your life one iota? You know, just because you have the right to do something doesn't mean you should do something. So I tend to think, good for her. Sometimes put the meat in its place. It wasn't necessary to publish those. And as far as me, I haven't seen them. And I don't know that my life's been decreased one iota by not seeing them. So good for her. The other thing is, did you see President Biden is forgiving $10,000 for student loans, and there's the an extra $10,000, I think, if there's the Pell Grant that you would have. So those of you who are getting student loans decreased and getting the advantage of that, good for you. But I'm already hearing now how educators are going to sit there and say, ooh, there's $10,000 more kids have for us to spend. Oh, grow up. Anyway, let's get to today's topic. Well, training and education, or in my case, continuing education. You know what? I absolutely don't like it. It's tiring. It seems like it never ends. It's very, very redundant. But on the other hand, I'm going to tell you, I've lasted now 38 years in this business. MLD Agency is 30 years. That does not happen if you don't keep up with continuing education. You clients out there should demand that we agents are as up to date as possible on all aspects of insurance that we're representing to you. So the fact that I don't like it doesn't mean I shouldn't do it, certainly doesn't mean I haven't done it. I'm already certified for the senior marketplace for the carriers that I need for 2023, and I'm working on my certification for the marketplace so I can be of service to you going forth. So the fact that I don't like it doesn't mean anything. We'll be here to take care of you. With that in mind, don't hesitate to give me a call. My number's at the bottom of the screen here for next year. If you have questions about next year that you're concerned about that I can answer based on this year's information, go ahead, give me a call. Be happy to answer those questions. So hey, what's going on here at the MLD Agency? Well, it feels like I'm spinning my wheels at this time of the year. Just so much work involved in getting that certification done, the continuing education, that it's very hard to sell and to service to you. But that is being productive working on that. The other thing is, for those of you who are applying for Medicare, notice it seems like Medicare is having a long, hard time getting you your Medicare claim numbers early enough. So pay attention to that. Make sure you're working on that. And lastly, last week we were able to work with a client and save them $1,600 on their homeowner's insurance from that company that goes bump, 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 bump. Anyway, I hope you have a good week coming up. Until next week, which will be September. Take care.